Recognizing and dealing with the lane merge. Recognizing and dealing with the lane merge. You can expect to find lane merges on a variety of roads, especially as you're leaving a roundabout. Let's look at a basic lane merge and how to deal with it. In this picture, we're at crossroads, stopped at a red traffic light. We can see the lanes merging ahead, and this road marking indicates the right lane is merging into the left. Who do you think has priority? Road users in the left lane have priority. Although we have priority, it's important we make good use of the mirrors. In this example, center and right door mirror, so we are well aware what other road users are doing, and we can choose how to respond if necessary. We may need to speed up if it's within the speed limit, hold a steady speed to maybe allow them to pass, or we may be forced to slow down to allow them to move in. We will only know how to respond when we know what's happening around us. The trick with lane merges is identifying and recognizing that the lanes are merging together. Sometimes this can be done using warning signs, sometimes the road markings as we've looked at here, and sometimes there aren't any road signs or road markings. So you also got to look out for that.